Hey guys, do you know your own face shape? The reason I'm asking this is because there's a lot of guys out there who reach out to me asking me, Daniel, what kind of hairstyle will fit in with me? What kind of beard should I try? Well, when I start to speak to them, I realize they don't really know their face shape. So let's start at the beginning. Let's start at the basics, because you need to know your face shape before you will know what kind of hairstyles and beard styles will fit in with you specifically. So in this video, I'm going to quickly explain to you exactly how you can determine your face shape. Let's get to it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief.
Now just very quick, if it's your first time here on my channel, I'm Daniel Maritz and welcome to DLM Model Lifestyle. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please consider it so you won't miss any of the next videos. Now, let's start to determine your face shape. Let's do it together. There are 7 basic face shapes. You got oval, square, rectangle, round, diamond, heart, and triangular. Now let's find out what face shape you got. First, get a flexible tape measure and get a notebook. Now the first step is to measure your forehead. Measure the widest part of your forehead across your face from the peak of one eyebrow arch to the opposite side. Write it down. Step 2, we're going to measure our cheekbones. Place the tape across the pointiest parts just below the outer corner of each eye. Step 3, the jawline. Start below your ear and then measure it to the tip of your chin. Okay, now just double it for the other side and write it down. Step 4, which is the last one, we're going to measure the length of your face. Start at the center of your hairline to the tip of your chin. It's important to do this accurately because the difference between a square face and a rectangular face is only around 2 inches. So you got to do it accurately. All right, so the last thing we got to do is to compare your measurements with all the different face shapes and see which one is yours. Now the key here is to look at the measurement that is the biggest, the largest. Let's start with the diamond shape. If you have a diamond shape, your face length is the largest, your cheekbones the second biggest, and then your forehead, and lastly, the jawline, which is the smallest. Next, triangular. If you have a triangular face shape, your jawline is the biggest. The jawline is bigger than the cheekbones, and the cheekbones larger than the forehead. Now, if you have a heart face shape, your forehead is bigger than your cheekbones and your jawline. The chin is also usually pointed out a bit more. Now, if you have a round face, your face length and cheekbones are roughly the same size, and it is bigger than your jawline and forehead. Now, just one thing you gotta remember here. If you are a little bit overweight, you might think that you were born with a round face, but it might not be true, because if you are overweight, your face will look rounder. So if you want to know your true face shape, you got to lose the weight. If you lose the weight, then you'll see your true face shape. Now let's go to the next one, the oval face shape. The face length is greater than the cheekbones, and the forehead is bigger than the jawline, and the jawline is more rounded. Now if we go to the square face shape, the square face shape is easy because all 4 of the lengths are usually similar, right? The only difference in most cases is that the jawline is more sharper. Now if you have a rectangle or oblong face shape, your jawline, cheekbones and forehead is roughly the same size, but your face length is the biggest. Alright guys, now whenever I talk about different styles and hairstyles and beard styles and different face shapes that will look good with it, you'll know exactly what will look good with you, because now you know your face shape. Now, stick around, watch some of my other videos here that you haven't seen yet, and I'll see you there. Cheers, guys.